Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing the top 3 email marketing services of 2023. After thorough research and personal experience with dozens of simple and advanced marketing automation tools, I have come up with the best 3 email marketing services that you can use for your business. Number 1 on our list is MailChimp. This platform is probably the most popular email newsletter tool that comes to mind, with over 14,000 people signing up to their platform every day. They offer a free plan, which gives access to most of their available tools, including a built-in survey maker and landing page builder, which is great for personal and small business users. The downside is that the subscriber and sending allowance have gone down significantly recently. This email marketing service is ideal for SMBs looking for an all-in-one solution. However, with recent developments in MailChimp's acquisition by Intuit, it remains to be seen how it will affect its operations, pricing, and overall ESP product in the near future. Number 2 on our list is Zoho Campaigns. This email marketing tool is a great choice for those looking for an affordable, user-friendly way to get started with email marketing. One of its standout features is its easy-to-use drag-and-drop email template creator, which allows even novice users to create professional-looking emails quickly. Zoho Campaigns is also highly affordable compared to its competitors, making it an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes looking to get started with email marketing without breaking the bank. Although some users have reported experiencing occasional glitches with the tool, overall, Zoho Campaigns is a fantastic email marketing tool that offers a lot of value for its price. And last but not least, we have Drip, the best email marketing service that offers tremendous power and flexibility in reaching the right person at the right time with the right message. This email marketing service has a vast degree of flexibility and depth of integrations available in the automations, making it an excellent choice for businesses that want to create highly personalized and targeted campaigns. Although Drip's support staff can get backed up, their staff is always on point and knows their drip foo. They offer chat and email support, but I wish they had a phone option for those urgent concerns. If you're looking for a combination of bicycle and space shuttle in email marketing, then Drip is for you. That's it for today's video. I hope this review has given you a better idea of the top 3 email marketing services of 2023. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching.